Back to the Girls with Guns channel, and today we have somebody brand new. You want to introduce yourself?
Hey guys, I'm Kaila.
More than that, what do you do?
I'm Kaila, I'm a blacksmith from New Hampshire.
And then what's your Instagram handle?
It's at Kaila Cumings. And my YouTube is also Kaila Cumings, super easy.
So that will all be dropped down below in the description, so check her out if you like the content. You're ready, girl.
Yeah.
Get some. All right, let's do some pistol action. So we flip-flop guns. I now get to shoot the MP5. She gets to shoot the staccato. Woo. Here we go. Woo. My turn. Sorry.
That's how you're supposed to shoot it, yeah.
Ooh, it's tight in. Sorry, I'll just bagged up now. I'm slow. Woo.
Holy shit.
Woo! Yeah. Woo! Woo! Wow. Woo! Ooh, that was nice. That's cool. Can we do that again? Woo! Dang, that was awesome. That one was cool.
That was sweet.
I think you blew out the nipple. So here we have the level 3A body armor. Have you ever shot body armor before?
I have not.
What do you think? What round do you think this is going to make it?
Maybe a 223.
Okay, well that's her guess. It's supposed to go to a 44 Magnum. We have a backpack. Put it in the backpack. We also have a wallet and a koozie, all from Premier Body Armor. They're all supposed to be bulletproof, so let's do this. So here we have a 9mm Staccato 2011. I'm gonna take 2 shots at the Premier Body Armor level 3 backpack plate. We'll see what happens. Ooh, let's see. So we have 3 there, and then that one might be off the grid, but we'll see.
Cool.
Oh, it wasn't. It's in there. Oh, maybe not.
Oh yeah, sweet. Look at that.
Let's take this
I know
one.
you can see it over here still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, all 4 did hit it. All right, so now we're stepping it up to a 45. Kimber, let's see how that goes. All right, so here we, oh, I feel rounds in there. That's always a good sign. So we have a bunch. Oh, that one didn't hit. That one technically is not actually body armor. That's like through the seams. So, but these, I could definitely feel rounds in here. You see all these hits on here? So there's definitely 45 in there. I can feel that. Nothing on the back. Clean. Okay. It says knife resistant, so I mean, we're gonna just see. It works. That's actually pretty good. Wait, I'm gonna try harder. I wanna like really give it like. We're good. So we decided to disassemble this because, well, why not? So my stab marks, you can see, did make it through the front, the bullets, but nothing made it through the back. And then you go through the different layers and look what we have in here. All right, so here is the Premier Body Armor Bulletproof Koozie. People may ask, why do you need this? I think, why don't you need this? It's freaking awesome. So we're trying a 9mm. Let's see. Well, we should probably go look at that. Right, I mean, the round is in there. And just as a disclaimer, this is for fun. Obviously, it's a tactical koozie, bulletproof koozie holder, but it is cool. Honestly, the round is in there. It did stop it, but don't use this as like to save your life. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this Girls with Guns episode with Kaila. Make sure to check her out if you enjoyed everything that you saw today. Shout out to Remington, Walkers, Premier Body Armor, all for helping us with this video. And we look forward to seeing you. And remember, like, share, subscribe. And now, on to our next adventure. Yeah.